In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started from the very beginning so you can follow along easily on your own screen. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with the account you actually use for work or school, because your profile picture will be tied to that specific account. Once Teams is open, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see your current profile image there. If you've never set one before, it might just show your initials inside a colored circle. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This will open a small menu where you can manage basic account settings. In that menu, you'll see an option that says something like Change Picture or Edit Profile Picture. Click on that. This will open a new window or panel that lets you choose a new image for your profile. Now you'll usually have a couple of options. The most common one is to upload a picture from your computer. Click on the button that says Upload Picture or Upload Image. A file browser window will pop up, letting you navigate through your folders. Find the photo you want to use. A clear headshot works best here, especially if you're using Teams in a professional or school setting. Try to pick an image where your face is centered and well lit, so others can easily recognize you. Once you've selected your photo, click Open in the file browser. Teams will then upload your image. In many cases, you'll see a preview of how the picture will look. Some versions of Teams also let you adjust the crop. So if your face is off-center, you can drag the image around or zoom in a little until it looks right. When you're happy with how it looks, confirm your choice by clicking Save or Apply. It might take a few seconds, but your profile picture should update in the top right corner of the app. This new image will also appear next to your name in chats, meetings, and channels, so everyone in your organization will see it. If the change doesn't show up right away for other people, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a short while to sync across all devices. You can also close and reopen Teams to refresh it. And if you ever want to change your profile photo again, just repeat these same steps.